In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on a Xero invoice, full 2025 guide. If you want your invoice to clearly show a percent-based discount on a line item, this walkthrough will make it simple and foolproof. Start by opening your invoice in Xero and switching it into edit mode. You'll be looking at the invoice lines where your products or services are listed. Choose the specific line you want to discount. This method applies a percentage discount per line. So if you have multiple items that need a discount, you'll repeat the same action on each one. Click into the price field on that line. This is the unit price or service rate before any discount is applied. Make sure the quantity and the item details are correct first because your discount will be calculated from this price. If your organization uses tax-inclusive pricing, the price you see may already include tax. If it's tax-exclusive, the discount will be applied before tax is calculated. Either way, Xero handles the math for you, but it's good to know which mode your invoice is using. Type in the price you want to charge before the discount. If you're updating an existing price, just overwrite it. Keep an eye on rounding. Xero supports sensible decimal places, and the totals will update as you go. Now move to the disk column on the same line. This field expects a percentage value. You don't need to type the percent symbol, just enter the number. For example, type 10 for 10% or 12.5 for 12.5%. This is the cleanest way to show a discount right on the invoice without creating extra lines or notes. Enter the discount percentage. The moment you do, Xero recalculates the line subtotal automatically. The discount is applied to the line amount and then tax is calculated according to your tax setting. You'll see the discounted total reflected in the line and in the invoice summary at the bottom. If you need to adjust, simply change the number in the disk. Field in Xero will update instantly. At this point, your invoice clearly shows the discount. On most invoice templates, the disk column will be visible to your customers so they can see the percentage applied and the totals will match your intended pricing. If something looks off, double check the price, quantity, and discount percent and confirm that the correct tax rate is selected for that line. That's it. Your Xero invoice now includes a visible percentage discount calculated accurately and presented professionally.